Hello friends, this is me, unknown personality. Today I'm going to tell you about the upcoming Samsung device. In this video I will unveil its feature, leaks, rumors, so watch till the end. Let's start. Before just starting, if you are still not subscribed my channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos notifications. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 could be launched at a Galaxy Unpacked event on August 3, according to the new leak. Samsung did not unveil its foldable phones for this year at the Galaxy Unpacked event that saw the launch of Galaxy S21 series. But the company is large anticipated to launch new foldable phone and the smartwatch in the coming month. The new leaks offer detail about the Samsung next Unpacked event, the product that may be unveiled, and also when these might start shipping. Tips from Mac web chats leak the Samsung will host its next Galaxy Unpacked event on August 3. At the event, the South Korean giant is expected to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3 foldable phone. YouTuber John Process claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 are likely to start shipping 3 weeks after the launch event. Past leaks suggest that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 may be the first foldable phone with an under-display camera. The upcoming foldable smartphone from Samsung could also feature hybrid S Pen Sport. The new stylus is said to not have a sharp tip to prevent damaging the screen, and the internal display may not scratch easily, owing to armor protection on the screen hang and the bezels. The outside body may be wrapped in cornering Gorilla Glass victors for added protection. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is expected to be available in 3 colors option: black, dark green and silver.